आपने ढिंका चिका गाना तो सुना होगा एंड आई एम श्योर मेरी तरह आपने भी सलमान के सिग्नेचर मूव्स को जरूर कॉपी किया होगा और ऐसे और बहुत सारे गाने हैं जिन पे हमने ग्रूव किया है. नाउ today on Punjab Kesari Navodaya Times, मैं हूं निधि and I have the privilege and honor of introducing the man behind all these hit numbers, singer, composer, performer Devi Sri Prasad, popularly जिन्हें rockstar DSP के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, who is out with another going to be hit number, सीटी मार, जो कि सलमान की आने वाली फिल्म राधे के लिए उन्होंने कंपोज किया है. So what is the song about and how did it happen? We have DSP to talk to us about it. So a warm welcome first of all to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. This is DSP here. I'm really happy to be on this show. And before I even start, thank you all. Thanks to all the people from North for loving Dinka Chika and almost all the songs that I did in Hindi, like Daddy, Mummy, and Auntie Amlapuram. Yeah, and now CT Mar. People are loving it. So I'm really grateful and thankful to you guys. And wish you keep giving me this love.
Well, they are amazing numbers, DSP. I must tell you, there is no party where we do not have those songs playing, and not a single individual who does it, even if they don't know how to dance, people still do this, you know? So, yeah, those are lovely songs you've composed. Now, coming back to CT Mar, ever since the trailers for the movie have come up, this song has caught the limelight, and this has actually, been the highlight of it. So please tell me, how did it all start and from where did it all begin?
Okay, so Prabhudeva Master, of course, the Indian Michael Jackson. I have a great rapport with him, and even Salman Bhai have a great rapport with him since I did Dinka Chika for him, and then I did one of the songs from Jai Ho, the heroine's introduction song. So I keeps calling me now and then for, do we have anything, some kick-ass number or song, something like that. So, as we all know, Bhai has a great ear for music. So whatever he picks and chooses, it always becomes a blockbuster. And likewise, Prabhudeva Master and I have always had a great journey, and I'm a huge fan of Prabhudeva Master as well from my school days. I used to copy him and dance on stage and all that. So finally, it happened so that for his first directorial called Nuvasaran Tani Nudantana, when Prabhudeva Master became a director, I was a music director for that film. Okay. So it was a fan moment for me. So ever since I've worked on a lot of movies of Prabhudeva Master. And of course, as we know, we are all huge fans of Bhai. So now the combination comes where Prabhudeva Master is directing Salman Bhai, and then Prabhudeva Master calls me and asks me like, Devi, I'm looking for a nice catchy dance number. Do you have anything in store, or do you have any idea? Can we do something? I said, of course, Master, I would love to do it. And then I suggested CT Mar to him. Then I sang CT Mar and played it, and he really loved the tune and the song immediately. He said, yeah, man, CT Mar will catch on so well for Bhai and Bhai's fans and for Hindi. And knowingly or unknowingly, I have this lot of influence from Hindi when I compose, even in Tamil and Telugu. Most of my tunes have got Hindi words because I love Hindi music, and Hindi is very musical, and it's got a lot of these single syllable words and also which fits, and the language itself is reversible. So it is very music friendly. So most of my tunes have got Hindi words. The first dummy words that I put will be in Hindi. Then we change it to Tamil or Telugu. So likewise, when I composed this song also, it was Sitimar. Yeah. So we thought Sitimar will go very well with Bhai style and also with the North audience. So immediately he loved it. Then he played it to Bhai, and in a couple of hours, I get a call from Bhai and Prabhudeva Master together. So Bhai spoke to me and he said, I really love this song, Devi. I want this song. Can you start working on it? I said, of course, Bhai, it is my pleasure. And that's how we kick started it.
Okay. So I have seen the original one. The original song with Allu Arjun and Pooja Hegde, and I've seen, of course, this one as well. So I think you've done some tweaking that suits Salman's image and his, style and all. But the soul of the song you've maintained, right?
Yeah, I've maintained the soul of the song because the Sitimar, that is the soul of the song. Yeah. You see, every song has one soul, the hook, or something that grabs the attention of the people. So likewise, even when we did Dinka Chika, like ringa 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 re, then we would Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika, and then the whole song we made it according to Bhai style, the lyrics and everything. So Dinka Chika is what catches. Likewise, whatever you sing before and after, City Mars, that's what people will wait for.
Yeah, yeah.
And Bhai's body language, I think City Mar is like something amazing. And I'm actually waiting to see this song in theaters. I was always waiting to see this song in theaters, but unfortunately, because of this COVID and all that, I don't know how the situation is going to be. But still, I'm so happy that it's become viral and like fire on the internet.
It has.
Yeah, even if you see the starting of the song is totally different from the original, and like when I did it in Hindi, I wanted to kickstart the song with City Mar itself. So I wanted it to be registered as a City Mar song. So it's like whenever Bhai comes on the screen, automatically his fans and audience will anyway do the City Mar. Like generally they do and all that. So I thought let the starting itself like City Mar. So I start City, then the rhythm goes in. But in the original it doesn't start like it goes in, the whole Mukda goes and finally City Mar comes.
Correct.
So then even the BGMs I made it according to his style and all that.
Okay. So actually,
sorry.
No,
actually, even the video version that you are seeing, that you're watching right now on YouTube is only 3 minutes. Actually, the song is 4 minutes. On all the other platforms like iTunes and Ghana and so everywhere, the song is about, the whole song is there. In the film also, the whole song is going to be there. In the BGMs, there are more dance movements of Bhai and Disha, and even Disha has rocked it with the movements. And Prabhu Master and Johnny Master put in a lot of enjoyable things. There is still 1 minute more of the video. I think you will love that more when you see it on the, because I have seen the whole song.
Okay.
So
waiting to see the whole song.
Number of times. Yeah, I think you'll still have a little more thrill left, to watch it on the screen when the movie releases.
Correct. Okay, but tell me, what is the kind of feedback that you've got from Salman and Prabhudeva himself, and also while you were composing and doing this whole Hindi version of the original, did you get any inputs or feedbacks from them, or they were like, they give you a very free hand ki chalo jo karna hai karo?
Yeah, actually Bhai always gives a free hand, and even I'm used to working like that, like whichever language I work now, they just tell me the subject and leave it, then I keep working on it. But what we initially thought was we wanted to make it like a very dance number. Even the lyrics have to be very dancey. So that's what even I thought. Even Bhai was saying, let us make it like a very party song. That's one thing. And even while we were writing lyrics, like Shabir Ahmed ji, he flew down to Chennai to my studio, and we were writing the lyrics here. And we used to update Bhai, like then Bhai used to call now and then, like, hey, what's happening? Have you come out with something interesting? And there were a lot of inputs that Bhai gave also. Like he said, let's make it like a disco song, like disco I dance karne, get on to the dance floor, volume thoda loud karke nachenge some more, and all that. Let's make it like a statement, like it's a dance number. So all a few inputs, then we used to take those words, then frame it, and then so even I like the idea of making it a proper dance number, so that, like you said, then it will be a party song where people will definitely play it in the parties and stuff like that.
Correct. So so far you've given us such huge numbers, as I myself earlier also said, and those are all, some of them are very party numbers, and people love to play them. People have them on their playlist as well. Tell me, what is in store for all your Bollywood fans or people from up north who love your music, love your compositions?
Yeah, so far, see, one thing I'm always thrilled about is a lot of North people, they know most of my work from the South. That always thrills me. Like, even if I get introduced to someone from Bollywood industry, or even the general people also, some might know me by name, some might not know me by face, but most of them know me by my work. I think that is the biggest satisfaction any creator would get. So, for example, there was a party in one of my friends' places in Bombay, which I had attended, and there was one person from the movie industry or something. I was having dinner, and he just started a very general conversation with me. And I was, so sir, so where are you from? Generally, I don't tell anything about myself. Unless and otherwise asked, or unless and otherwise it is necessary. So I was just quietly eating. So then he said, so hi sir, nice meeting you. It was a very casual hi kind of thing. Very casual greeting kind of thing. Then we were talking, and then he said, okay, so what do you do? And I said, I'm into music. Oh, music. Okay, so what do you do in music? I compose. Oh, you compose. So he said, so what are the songs that you compose? I said, something like Ante Amla. Then he was like eating, he just stopped. Ante Amlapuram. You mean that song? I said, yeah. That means, are you the one who composed Dinka Chika? He said, yeah. That means, are you DSP? I didn't expect that. I said, yeah. Then he put his spell. Are, you're a god, man. I love your music. And it became very funny, but it was little, I didn't know whether to feel happy or embarrassed about it, but it was nice. So he didn't know me by face, but when I said the song's name, then I could know that he already knew my name because of the song, but he didn't know my face. But it was a beautiful experience because down south, everybody knows me by face. Yeah. But when I come there, when such experiences are rare. So I really felt happy that people know my work, because knowing our work, because whatever, no matter what it is and no matter who it is, after a few years, nobody's going to remember your face. They're only going to remember your work. So what will be remembered out of an artist or out of a creator is only work.
Correct.
So I feel happy when work is recognized.
Correct.
So yeah.
So what are you doing for your fans here up in the north? I mean, we would love more and more of your creations. I mean,
yes.
So what's there in the pipeline?
Yes, that's a good question, because after Dinka Chika, then I got back to my zone here and I was working on my films and I didn't give much time back there. I was doing on and off, like, Ante Amlapuram and all this, Daddy Mummy and all that stuff, and one song and all that. But now after this COVID lockdown, I had a lot of time to think. And Bollywood is something that I always wanted to be regular and do a lot of more stuff there. So now I have planned my schedules, everything properly, and that's how I think all this is happening now. And unfortunately, right now I can't reveal the names, but I have already signed on 2-3 biggies from Bollywood with big directors and big stars. So which will be released. I think a couple of them might be released this year itself.
Okay.
If the COVID scene gets better. So I think you will know me more with my fresh music and tailor-made music for the Bollywood, and some very different kind of numbers and melodies as well. Because I'm down south, I'm known more for as much as I'm known for my dance music, I'm also known for my melodies, like my romantic songs and love songs and stuff like that. So that's what I want to do in Bollywood as well, apart from the dance numbers. So right now, the couple of films that I'm doing, I've got a very good chance to, emphasize more on the melodies and also the dance numbers. I think people will like that. And they're also from some big stars. Okay. So that's one thing I'm also looking forward to. I am excited to say the names, but I can't say it right now because still it is officially announced. I can't say it. Okay. So that's one thing. But we'll definitely catch up with you guys again, and I'll definitely update all that once the info is given out.
Yeah, and all that will happen in big time.
Yeah. And apart from this, I'm also planning on some singles because now I think it's the big time for singles and some collaboration with very different concepts, and they're also going to be big. So I think they might be arriving a little earlier than the films itself, because now in COVID time, singles are what is what are happening more than the film song, because films don't have the release date and the theaters, all these problems. So yeah, whatever it is, it has to be music and it has to be entertaining people. In these hard times. See, when a song like Sitimar, when Bhai, when such a big star song is coming out, in this hard time, I think it is at least, entertaining. And some people who are, because most of the people are dull, including us, everyone reading news about all these hard things that are happening. So, but I think a lot of people are at least entertained by watching, okay, Bhai song has come after a long time. And, it's a nice, hummable song. Let's sing, let's dance,
Yeah.
So at least we are able to give some kind of happiness to people.
Correct. It's not, if not entertainment, we can look at it from the perspective of being engaged at least,
engaged,
something different other than sad news.
Like some kind of joy, because since it released just a day since it's released and it's being so viral on net, and I was so happy to see a small kid who I heard is corona positive. But she danced amazingly and brilliantly for this song and posted a video. I felt so happy. That means, see, that kid doesn't know what's happening in the world. Maybe she doesn't even know what's happening to her own self. But she just heard the song. Maybe she saw Bhai. Maybe she liked the song, whatever. Prabhudeva Master's choreography. And I'm going to post that on my Twitter as well. I just happened to see it. I felt so happy because we're able to make someone happy, right? Somewhere. like that, lot of videos people are posting, some husband and wife and everyone from home. I
Yeah.
think it's giving, like you said, it's keeping people engaged, and at least for momentarily, it is at least helping them to forget about all the sad things happening around the world.
Yeah, and you know, this is so catchy. Who knows? We can very soon have a CT Mar challenge or something like that. You know, going
Ah.
viral on the net.
Exactly. Yeah, I think we should do that.
Yeah, why not? Because any which ways, the song is, you know, with the release only, it's become a hit. And as you said, there is 1.5 extra minute, which obviously we haven't seen on
Yeah.
YouTube. So yeah,
Yeah.
things like these, and they go viral pretty soon, and people would love to have their own CT Mar challenge kind of a thing. Because you know, as we are talking this whole COVID situation, there's lots of negative news, lots of negative energy that's there around. And music के लिए तो हमेशा से कहा जाता है ना, it's therapy. You know, it
Yeah.
heals you in a way. And good music like this, and you know, you answered my question without even me asking it, because up north there's a lot of scene where people are apart from Bollywood music, people also love, you know, collaborations and music that comes out on YouTube, etc. So yes, you've actually given the good news that you'll be doing that as well.
Yeah.
But what I want to ask you, Devi, is, you know, you've been a singer, composer, you know, you're a performer, and you've done music and your work across languages. How did this all start? You know, your love for music, or rather, your
Okay.
romance with music.
That's a good one. My love for music, yeah, of course. I think it started off right from the time I was born, maybe, because my dad was actually a writer and director in films down south. But he was a great lover of music. He used to sing, he used to write lyrics, he used to play the guitar and all that. But though it was not his profession, and my mom is a great music lover. Even while cooking, she plays music. And my sister, my brother-in-law, my brother, everybody. My brother is a singer. In fact, he won state awards as a singer. So music has always been prevalent in the family. And my grandmother was a Carnatic singer, Carnatic music singer. So right from the time I was born into music.
Okay.
And then
you
I had
have it in your veins.
Yeah, injected, exactly. So, and I had a great guru, like Mr. Mandel in Yusri University. So he was my guru. I was under him right from my childhood. So it was always music for me. That's what I say. When I have work, I play music, and when I'm free, I play music.
Wow.
So yeah, so it all happened like that, and it all happened at a very early age. Like around 16, 17, I became a music composer. I got an offer for my first film, and ever since, yeah, that's the only thing that I've been doing.
Great. So, okay, the last thing that I would want you to do is, you know, a lot of people from up north are watching you, a lot of audience here who has, you know, as you said, they may not know you by your face or even by your name, but they know you by your music. They love your music. So is there a message that you want to convey to them about, you know, your music, your upcoming work, or about this whole pandemic situation?
Yeah, I was able to say that. Even before I convey anything else, I just want to say that every day when I wake up and before I sleep, and of course all through the day, the only thing that we are doing, one of the most important things, is pray for India and of course the whole world. Let's pray that, of course we're all facing this situation, and even I'm so scared to even step out, because my mom is at home. I have to take since last 1 year I've been very strict, since the pandemic started. So I've been warning my friends, please wear a mask, don't be silly, don't be careless and all that. But some people, were taking it serious. Some people were not taking it serious. Some people even say that, oh, all this is crap and all that. But right now we are in a position where even all the people who said it is crap, they are scared now. So only thing that we should do is, this is a situation where if you want to do something for the country, we should not do anything. That's the only thing that we can do. Okay, please stay home and stay safe, unless and otherwise it is necessary. Don't go. The same thing. See what we said last year. After a year, it's so unfortunate that we are having to repeat the same thing. But yeah, maintain all the social distancing and please wear a mask. And because it is not about your own life, it is about others' lives also. This pandemic is so weird that you might still be asymptomatic, but you might pass it on to someone else.
Yes.
So that is very dangerous. So you can't be selfish. You have to be, you have to take care of others, and you have to be responsible. Be responsible citizens first. I think that's the biggest need of the hour. And this is what I wanted to say. And apart from this, yeah, please do keep loving my music like you're always doing. And I'm coming with more number of songs and some singles and all to entertain you. And hope this situation passes fast. And please give me all your love. That's it.
Yes, your music and of course your work and you as a person will get all the love. I'm pretty sure of it. And this was a great time that I had in this interview. And I want to personally thank you for your time and all the best for all the work that you
Thank you
will
so
keep
much,
getting
Nidhi.
for us. And it was a pleasure talking to you.
Thanks, Roy. It's my pleasure. And thank you, Nidhi. Thank you so much for this time.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Sure.
Bye bye.
Yes, take care.